Hey, what's up, people? Welcome to another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This is going to be review number 3168. Yeah. Been busy lately. Been very hard to get all my reviews that I want to during a week. So much video editing and stuff, but today I'm getting 3 in, so I'm stoked. And this is one of them. This is Liangchengmei Biang Biang Mian. Biang Biang Mian or Biang Biang Mian. Why is it called Biang Biang? I don't know, but the noodles are freaking wide. I'll show you. This is a really interesting one because you may have seen my video for the 30-second hot bird stuff. This is by the same company. Look at these. It's like, whoa, dude. All right. Okay. All right. But yeah, I'm gonna dump this in a pot of boiling water. Look at them first. It looks like a vertical blinds, a slat from vertical blinds, but no, they float. So I'm dumping all those in, and it says to boil them for 5 to 10 minutes. And my buddy in Taiwan, Kyle, was like, "That's a really broad range," and I was like, I agree wholeheartedly with that. So I'm doing 8. I figure 8's probably safe. It's more than halfway, and it's less than all of it. So, and if we need to add more time to it, we can. Comes with 3 sachets. This stuff. Oh, stop. Whoa! The water's like crazily boiling. Here, let's see if I can get you in on this insanity. Wow! There is something in them noodles making the water really angry. Let's see. Connecting to the camera. There we go. I'm doing this so I can see on the phone what you're seeing right now. Here we go. There you go. You see that? It's like all jacked up. Super boobly. I come with this sachet. I don't really know what it is, but it's solid stuff. And then here's something that looks rather thin-ish, but chunky. And then here's one that feels kind of like might just be soy sauce, maybe black vinegar. I guess this Biang Biang noodle or Biang, I really don't know how to pronounce it. My buddy didn't either. But I guess this Biang Biang, I'm gonna call it that. Biang Biang noodle hails from Shaanxi in China, Shaanxi province, and a lot of their stuff is really spicy, and I've found a lot of their stuff to have a lot of vinegar. Garlic water is a thing in Shaanxi cold noodle. Wow, it's just like it's bouncing. The water is all bing 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 bing. That's fascinating. If you were watching yesterday and you heard me mentioning some crazy stuff going on, all that stuff turned out to be not like an enormously horrible, huge thing. So that's a relief. Probably won't hear me talk about it anymore. So, but yeah. Anyway, look at that water go. Bloop. Bloop. And it makes me want to turn it up and watch it bubble over. But not all that much, you know. Here, let's see if I can... I have everything but a fork on the... around here. I don't know why. I need a fork. I need a tasting spoon as well. What am I doing? I'm distracted by the bubbles, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Let's see how this stuff currently looks. Whoa. Yeah, I see why it needs a lot of cook time. This stuff isn't really doing all that much. I mean, it looks like just a floppy version of what it was before. So it said 5 to 10 minutes. It's almost to the 5-minute mark. At that, I think I'll maybe take a noodle out and take a look at it. But yeah, right now, just like ultra stoked. It's finally Friday. It's been a really long week. I mean, really long. Took forever to get here, but now it's Friday. It was funny, like, he wasn't really happy when he said it, but my older son Andy was like, he's 13 and he's totally like in the terrible early teens, I guess. There's terrible twos. Well, I think he's in the terrible early teens, because he was like, weekends just go away so fast. Like, don't I know it, dude? Welcome. I'm gonna have a sip of my drink. Yeah. Are you wondering what is this drink? Well, it's a beverage, a caffeinated beverage, and it's called Bang. And it tastes pretty darn good. Oh. Alright, let's give a little bit of noodle a taste. Oh, come on. I just want a little bit of noodle. Wow, it's like coming apart at the seams. There we go. There's some noodle. This is about 6 minutes in. They're like egg noodle. Oh, that's weird. I'm gonna go with that. I think I got like about... There's a minute 25 left, so that'd be about 6.5 minutes. It's just about the way I really like noodles, so... What we do now is we drain them. It's crazy, I have to use like the huge pot for this action. Alright, they're drained. That's good. Wow! Here, let me move stuff around so you can have a look at these. They look pretty fascinating. Back you up a little bit. See if you can see that. Oh, I don't know. Well, you can kind of see it pretty good. Ah, fog. That's no good. Well, ugh. Okay. So here you go. And basically, you just put everything in and stir it up, and you're good. That's what I was told. That's what I'm gonna do. So here's the kind of funky. Looks like there's sesame. Oh wait. Oh, this is. It smells very salty. Biang, 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 biang. What is your deal? I cut and paste a Wikipedia entries, interesting bits on the post that will be coming out. If this just came out on YouTube, you've got to wait for a while, but you'll see it. I know some people are like, where is it on the website? And blah, 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 blah. It's like, I'm like almost 90 reviews ahead on the website. So, stuff will come out. It's just not super fast. And I post about one a day, and I try to do like 13 reviews a week. Oh, that smells weird. I don't know what that is, but it smells weird and good at the same time. Alright. These are odd noodles to stir, too, let me tell you. Oh, what are those things? They look like little animal turds. I don't think they eat that in Shaanxi. Shaanxi. Someday I will go to China and spend like 2 years in a little area and learn how to speak. Or Taiwan or somewhere. I feel so bad. Our education system has really failed us, folks, because you know how many people speak Mandarin? Oh my god. It's like, it's cool, you can learn German, or not German, well, I guess in some schools you can, like elementary school districts, but generally it's French and Spanish. French, sure, that's useful. Spanish, sure, that's useful. But Mandarin? Oh man. You want to be a business person? Do Mandarin. So, I'm noticing some of these noodles just aren't done very well. So, but let's give this a taste. Such a weird looking thing here. Mmm. And here's one of these little nuggets. Oh, that's meat. Or that snail. There's no way that's TVP. If that's TVP, that person who did that gets the absolute world record amazing Nobel Peace Prize for making things out of TVP. I've got some barbecue pork. I've got some little bit of mung bean sprout. Try to combine this. This is really good stuff. I'm like thoroughly impressed. I was kind of on the fence, like, I don't know. This is considered like a poor person's meal originally, but I guess it's gained popularity. I certainly like it, and I'm poor, so. I don't know, compared to a lot of people in the world, there's no poor people in America. That might offend some, I don't mind. This is gonna be tricky. It's super messy. Here. Look at that thing. It's just like, bam, huge noodle. Mmm. Wow. Alright folks, this is the new best thing freaking ever. I want to eat all of this really bad, but I'm not gonna. But I really wanna. Mmm. It's very meaty. Got a nice spiciness to it. Ah, that's good. 5 stars. No sweat. And some scallions. Wow. This is going to be a hard one to leave alone. So, but yeah, cool. Well, thank you for watching, and yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.